What's up, guys? Today, Mastermind here. Today, we are playing Animal Hospital with Cowcrafter. What's up, Cowcrafter? Where we guys, if you wonder why, we are gonna play the Animal Hospital because it's one of the famous games now. Now it's like the battle against 99 Nights and this game. Like the video or subscribe, then I will play 99 Nights. Do one. I don't care. It's an interesting game.
Okay.
Alright, you go get some coffee. Let's go get some coffee. No. I'll be the guy who helps the nuts. I will be the doctor and you be the guys who do the job. They're guaranteed not anomalies at night shift 1. Why are you so creepy? Your face looks so creepy, dude. What color am I? What color are you? I'm pink. You're yellow. You're peach. Alright, I'll go treat the patient. We're both small creators. Alright, I'm going to room 1 right now. Go in. I'm sorry, bro. Maybe that's an anomaly. I don't know. Now, what does each that thing? Yeah, they'll bite you and kill you. Oh wait, I gotta give this guy this thing. You can close it on shift 1. We'll probably just cook, buddy. Oh, you can go.
There's no anomaly, but
I hope not. Is he just in his head? This one has a bad headache. Alright. Let's go. Patient. I'll do it for you. Okay. Shift 2. It'll come when shift 1's over. Alright. What eyes? Alright. What does he want? Eye drop. Unless eye drops right in front of us. Alright. It's him. I like his old version better.
he does it for us?
No, he does it. He walks the day shift. have the sanity this time. Now we could use it. Alright, we got $63 and 5 animal coins. Let's go.
That one has black eyes.
No, that's an anomaly. That's an anomaly. Close the gates. That's an anomaly. Does anybody who knows the anomaly?
They are not closing.
Oh no, he's a baner. No, he doesn't do nothing. He doesn't do nothing. Dot, dot, dot. He,
Nothing's playing.
let's take your picture. I gotta check his sanity. He looks normal. You are asleep. Oh, he does. Wait, does he?
He's staring at me.
Oh no, you're cooked, buddy.
Close the shutter.
No, boy. He doesn't do nothing. He doesn't do
I
nothing.
said to sleep and he stared right at me.
No, he left. He left. Hey, open the gates. He's a guy.
He's still staring at me. Name. He's staring at the camera.
What are you trying to do?
Never mind. Does he look strange?
Let me see in the photo. He's one of the normal guys. He looks. Why is his glasses bigger?
Hang on.
That's pretty strange.
That's
Oh no. Tell me if you see the stalker. The stalker will probably come on shift 3. He's a tall, skinny guy.
You think this guy should be, or do you think we should close the shutters and leave it?
Nope. I think he's good. He's good. Welcome aboard. You're gonna be. Oh, you need surgery?
What happens if you would let an alarm in the end?
Your first, they will act normal.
How do you
Vin-
get them out? Anyways?
You just have to fight them or run away. So what do you want? So what do you want?
One's camera.
What? The most easiest way out of. So what do you need? Again. Here's the. Let's go. Once we're done that,
He's going to room 1.
wait, does he look strange? Alright, don't make me look suspicious. We're done? Alright, go, go, go. Is the door open? We're busy right now. Now you take the next coffee, Caleb. Gotta go, go, go.
Just saying. See y'all later.
See you later.
Going to the Walmart.
Alright. So guys, leave a like and subscribe. It's probably gonna be it for right now. Bye guys.